So what you're looking at behind me is the Rocket League project by the Purdue Autonomous Robotics Club. We were inspired by the video game of the same name to try to create an autonomous system that's able to have you play against an AI opponent in real life on a physical field with physical RC cars. So what we have there is a heavily modified RC car. It's receiving controls from that computer stack over there. And the computer is able to see where everything is by looking at the tags on the field. They're called April tags. And so it processes all of this incoming data, figures out where the car is, applies filtering algorithms to it, and then we have several different algorithms that make a decision on how it should play the game. And ultimately that decision is then sent through the transmitters to the car. So we'll have one car controlled by the computer without any human intervention whatsoever, and then we'll have another car controlled by a human with an Xbox controller. And if everything works perfectly, they'll be able to compete against one another, trying to score on each other's goals. The three different algorithms that we have for scoring the car, we have one where it's actually using an end-to-end neural network. So it's using an actor-critic network, and it's purely making decisions without any knowledge of planning paths or anything. It's just a reinforcement learning algorithm. We have another where it's using Bezier curves to plan out the ideal way to hit the ball so that it can line itself up and score. And then we have a final one that we call a patrol agent, which is it just drives around in circles, and if at any point it says, hey, I think I could score if I make a beeline at the ball, it goes ahead and does that.